This Flairosol spray bottle is the secret weapon behind this dish. We're making a lemongrass citrus vinegar spritz that adds layers of flavor without weighing anything down. We load the bottle with lime zest, lemongrass, a dried shiitake mushroom for some earthy umami depth, and then white wine vinegar. Seal it up and let it sit for a couple days in the fridge. The longer it rests, the more that flavor infuses. Bright, charred, but deeply aromatic. Now let's talk about the skewers. We're using 16 to 20 count shrimp, big enough to stay juicy on the grill, and threading them with shishito peppers, cherry tomatoes, and Indian eggplant. You can also use whatever vegetable you like, but I love this mix for its variety and texture, and how it complements the flavors in the vinegar spritz. I'm additionally prepping some carrots to grow alongside this. Season everything with a mix of salt, pepper, cumin, coriander, and paprika, and then drizzle it with avocado oil. Avocado oil is great for high heat cooking. This sauce is creamy, herby, spicy, and super versatile. Combine a bunch of fresh herbs, a few spoonfuls of sour cream, a splash of coconut cream, garlic, ginger, a dollop of sambal olik, fish sauce, lime juice, and of course salt and pepper. Blend that until it's smooth and silky. With everything prepped, it's time to hit the grill. Get those skewers on medium-high heat and let them develop a nice char. About halfway through, give them a few spritzes of the infused vinegar. This adds sharpness and brings those grilled veggies and shrimp to life. Once nice and charred, remove the shrimp skewers from the grill. And then give the carrots a couple minutes. Spritz them too. And then once everything's off the grill, give them a final spritz of that vinegar spray. Now it's time to plate. Drizzle generously with that sauce, or if you prefer, you can keep it on the side for dipping. Why not both? Finish with fresh herbs. And one final mist of the vinegar spray for a fresh pop right before serving. And that's it. Super simple, tons of flavor. And that spritz bottle is a total game changer.